Hello audience. So today we will discuss about non-newspaper vocabulary. So the first one is abasement. So abasement stands for humiliation, degradation. Next one, harangue. So noisy, attacking speech. Next one, plaintiff. So plaintiff stands for petitioner. Next one, replete. So the synonym of replete is full. Next one, tangible. So the synonym of tangible is something which can be touched. Next one, naughty. So naughty synonym is complex, difficult to solve. Next one, enigma. So its synonym is puzzle, mystery. Next one, harbinger. So its synonym is indicator. Next one, plaudits. So the synonym of plaudits are statement giving strong praise. Next one, creditable. So it stands for praiseworthy. Next one, obdurate. So obdurate synonym is stubborn. Next one, tawdry. So its synonym is something which is of little value. Next one, haughtiness. So its synonym is arrogance. Next one, lachrymose. So lachrymose stands for tearful or gloomy, sad. Next one, obfuscate. So its synonym is deliberately making something difficult to understand. Next one, plethora. So its synonym is something which are in abundance, something which are in excess quantity. Next one, tedium. So tedium stands for boredom. Next one, headstrong. So its synonym is stubborn. Next one, lackluster. So dull, monotonous. Next one, pliable. So flexible. Next one, abstruse. So difficult to understand, something which is difficult to comprehend or understand. Next one, envenom, to cause bitterness and bad feeling. Next one, laconic, so brief to the point. Brief are something which are to the point. Next one, oblique, so indirect. Next one, accolade. Accolade mean honor, praise, tribute. Next one, bolster. So its synonym is support. Next one, cryptic. So cryptic stands for puzzling, enigmatic. Next one, ephemeral. So something which have short quality or for short time. Next one, lamentation. So its synonym is expression of regret or sorrow, gloomy. Next one, resolution. So its synonym is determination. And last one is bombast. So bombast synonym is pompous language. So it's all for today, and thanks for watching Dawn Times. So if you have any question, so you can ask in comment section. So thank you, and may the God watch over you.